Meet Steve. Steve is an all-star developer that has put in tons of effort into building his next kick-ass mobile app. He happily launches his app on the App Store and excitedly waits for downloads and positive reviews. Jane saw the app and downloaded it. However, she did not understand how to use it. Jane wanted to ask the developer, but there was no way to do so. Hence, Jane left a negative review on the App Store for Steve's app. Steve screamed, "No!" If only he could explain to Jane how to use the app. This could have been prevented if Steve had used Pomog. Pomog is a live customer support service that developers can integrate into their mobile applications. When users face difficulties using the app, they can simply open a Pomog chat service in the app and ask their questions right away. Fortunately for Steve, Jane decided to give the app another try and saw that the app has been updated with Pomog support. She decides to ask Steve, and Steve replied her instantly. Jane was happy with the service and left a positive review for the app. With Pomog, every user is a happy user.
Created using Powtoon.